River Valley, and these guys are very small hand miners, so there's only room in this tunnel for maybe one guy digging and then a couple of guys removing dirt from behind. It's very, very hot, but pretty secure. There's no loose stone, the tunnel's small, extremely high humidity. We've seen a lot of wildlife, a lot of insect life and bats as well. They're still in here with us. They've just kind of gone off little drives and nooks and crannies in the rocks, and every so often you have one flutter past. It's quite exciting.